-14 degrees out this morning, 9 a.m. It's pretty chilly, but everybody's got their blankets on. They just ate breakfast. Wanted to show you Mo's little pretty eyelashes with icicles on them. He's gonna take a little nappy in the sunshine. Tea's over here. She's got frozen things on her face too. Dylan's eating Mo's droppings. We're all good. We're all dealing with the cold as best we can. Licking and chewing, eating and drinking, peeing and pooping. We've got sunshine, so we'll be okay. Hopefully another couple days of this cold stuff and then it'll be better. Yeah, Mo's gonna take a nap. The little schnookums of his nose. He says, oh yeah, it's nap time, Mama. Yep, we're good here. Hi, gorgeous Mo. Hi, gorgeous Mo. Here comes trouble. There is trouble. Hi, Bean. Hi, buddy.